Hey everybody, welcome to Dr. G Cooks. Here we are, we're continuing our theme of comfort food during Corona 2020. So tonight we're going to make some carrot cake. Now this is a pretty good carrot cake recipe. Everyone claims to have the best carrot cake recipe, so I'm going to make that claim as well. And the reason mine is so good, it's pure carrot cake. There's no bastardization of added ingredients. No walnuts, no pecans, no dried up old pieces of fruit. This is a tribute to carrot cake. It's just carrots and cake and the other baking ingredients you need to make a decent cake. So I highly suggest you stick to my recipe. You will love it. It will become your favorite cake recipe, and all your friends and family are gonna clamor for you to make it on a regular basis. So what do you need? Get out your pen and paper. 2 cups of sugar. This is not keto friendly. And then this is critical. Finely shredded carrots. I need you to get 3 cups of finely shredded carrots, 1 cup vegetable oil, 2 cups flour, and then this is 4 things in this one little container, but it's 1 teaspoon each of cinnamon, salt, baking powder, and baking soda. Okay, some serious chemistry going on here. And then you need 4 eggs. In this time of hoarding in the supermarkets, these are literally gold. So if you can get some eggs and make this cake. And then over here is separate. This is for our frosting. I'll show you how to make that once the cake is done. But all you need for that is powdered sugar, vanilla, cream cheese, and butter. And we're going to cut down quite a bit of the powdered sugar in this frosting recipe. It's much more cream cheesy than it is sweet, which really enhances the cake. So that's pretty much it. We're going to take our dry ingredients first, put that into the mixer, mix them up, and then add the wet ingredients, pour it into our baking tins, and you'll bake at 325 degrees for between 30 to 40 minutes. So you have to keep an eye on it. So once you can stick a toothpick or a stainless steel knife into the center of the cake and make it come out clean, then it's done. So definitely keep an eye on that, because these are 7-inch rounds, and the original recipe actually called for 9-inch rounds. But I like doing it this way. You can either stack your rounds and make a double layer cake, but tonight I'm going to make 2 single layer cakes. So that's about it. Let's mix up our dry ingredients, and then we'll go ahead and put this thing into the oven. So our dry ingredients are inside the mixer. Once they're nicely mixed, we'll add our wet ingredients. And now we've gone ahead and put our wet ingredients in. That includes the 3 cups of carrots and the cup of vegetable oil and the 4 eggs. We'll just get that really nicely mixed up, and then it's time to put it into the baking rounds. That's it. So there's our baking pans with our carrot cake inside. Now we're just going to toss that into the oven, 325 degrees for about, like I said, about 30 to 40 minutes. Keep an eye on it. So for the frosting, I kind of like it not too sweet. You can adjust it by how much powdered sugar you put in, but basically the start is you want to use 1 whole package of cream cheese, so that's about 8 ounces. Sometimes I'll throw in an extra ounce. So let's say 9 ounces of cream cheese, 3/4 cup of butter, unsalted, and then 3 teaspoons of vanilla. And then the adjustment comes with the powdered sugar. You can go anywhere from 2.5 to 4 cups. It's really up to you how much sweetness you want. I typically, with this recipe, will use about 3 cups of powdered sugar, and I just slowly add it as I'm mixing the cream cheese, butter, and vanilla. And I like to do this more old school style with a hand mixer rather than the big KitchenAid mixer. It just seems to mix up better. So just mix it till it's creamy, and then you can refrigerate until the time you're ready to put the frosting on. That's about it. And that's it, a nice creamy frosting. And since I'm the only one here, I get dibs on licking off the frosting from the blending paddles. It's my call. And that's it. Here's the cooled cake before the frosting, and then here's the other single layer cake post frosting. Beautiful cake. I hope you enjoy it. Keep following Dr. G Cooks. I hope you try this recipe, and everybody stay safe out there. We'll see you next time.